Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are on this wonderful, wonderful earth. Hope you're doing well today. My name is Sean K, and I'm here to give you a little bit of a walkthrough with a product that we are carrying called the Goosky S2 Legend. And right now, as is, you can use an Android phone to Bluetooth connect to it and also to make adjustments and stuff like that with your flying style. They just came out with the iOS app, so you can go to the App Store, grab the app, but if you have the first release of these, if you have one of those, you're gonna have to upgrade the controller to read iOS, and I'll walk you through it. It's really easy. So let's get down to business. First things first, you're gonna need an S2. Secondly, you're gonna need a battery. Third, you're gonna need a cell phone. Fourth, you're gonna need the Bluetooth adapter that comes with the kit. You'll also need your transmitter. And last but not least, a laptop. I'll walk you through it step by step. Here we go. You wanna make sure you go to the site goo-sky.com. This is gonna be the home base. Yeah, you're like, oh, it's in Chinese, help. Don't worry about it, I got you. Okay, quick update. I was not aware of this. I was made aware after the video was done. However, yes, this site is in Chinese. However, if you come over to the far right, up here, you can pick English. Boom. Turns everything to English. So when I refer to go to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th tab, it's really service tab you want to go to. And then the rest of it is in English. So you want to go to the 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5th tab, right? So you go to the 5th tab here. There you go. Now, once you get to this page, what you will be looking for is a file down here at the bottom. The hint is it's gonna be 65 KB. That's gonna be the file size. I don't know if you can see that. This is the file that you want to download. This is your file to upgrade your actual unit. It's gonna ask you here, download, yes. You're gonna see it go to your files, your download folder, it's on the computer. The next thing you wanna do is install your Bluetooth adapter onto the flybar unit. You'll see it right here. It's this last little, on the first row, last one on the right, if you're facing in the cockpit. Press it down nice and firm, not too hard. And what you should do is get a little bit of double-sided tape, stick it here right on the side, all right? So we got that there. And you're gonna plug in your helicopter. On your computer, go to your Bluetooth settings, add Bluetooth or other device. You click that. If you notice here, Goosky LOS comes up. You wanna choose that. Select it. It's gonna say connecting. Sometimes it may take a little while, don't worry. You're ready to go. The computer is paired with the flybar unit. All right, now from there, in your Bluetooth settings, you should have a related setting somewhere where it says more Bluetooth options. This is important. Click on that and your comms will come up. Now, in the instructions, it says that COM 3 or COM 4 should be your connection point. So make sure you take note of what COM is coming in on the port. COM 3 port, whatever. Next, you want to go to your download folder. Wherever you downloaded your file from the site. All right, so you take the file you downloaded today, you open it up, and you're gonna have two parts in there. You're gonna have the impact file, and you're also gonna have the upgrader, the UART upgrader file. All right, now once you open up and extract the UART upgrader file, you wanna come to choose COM. All right, so you want to go to choose COM. You wanna put in COM 3, and it says COM port open. That's a good sign. The next step is choose file and choose the binpack file that was previously in the same downloaded folder. Okay, once this comes up, this is good news because now you're able and ready to upgrade the actual flybar unit. So you want to go down here and hit upgrade. Now, the reason why mine isn't upgrading is because it's already been upgraded. So for you, you will see a green bar just going right here. Do not take the battery out, don't move anything, just let it do its thing, okay? Now, once that is done, you are fully upgraded and ready to go. However, you're gonna see upgrade successful, unplug cable now. You're gonna see all that pop up. However, you are not out of the woods yet. I'll take you to the next part, which does not involve the computer at all. Oh, and this is this is not a Mac. This is actually HP. I just put a sticker on it. I like Macs. Here's the deal. Every time you upgrade this controller, it erases all bindings of any transmitters. So you might find that you've upgraded and you're like, hey, nothing works. It's not connected anymore. You have to rebind the model to your transmitter. Once this is done and you have rebounded, you must then go to the App Store in your iPhone and put in Goosky. There it is. The app opens up. It's there. I've already downloaded it, so it's already on my phone. Now, here's the part where people get a little mixed up. Everything is done inside the app. When you connect this with your phone, with the app, with the unit here, you have to do it inside the app. Do not go to the preferences and look for it there and try to get it all hooked up there. It will not work. So what you want to do is, it's going to say status, Bluetooth connection lost. What you want to do is hit scan. Now, you're going to see everything in your house come up. Now, I found mine to be near the middle of the end of the list, but you'll see Goosky and you'll see connection device. You'll see it turn green here. That means it's connected. So you hit home, you stay in the app, don't go anywhere else. And then you hit start. So now you have all your settings. You have your speed, agility, your gyro. You can adjust all of that here. And the cool thing as well, if you can go to machine set, you can set where 0 is on each servo. This is one thing that they don't really tell you, which is forward thinking and awesome. These servos are programmable. Yes, you program where center is. So I already centered mine, so I'm not gonna go through my own setup, but you can see that my settings are a little different on each servo, depending upon the servo horn you put on and making everything, symmetrically straight at 0. Also too, there's 2 little lines here on top of both of the blade grips to make sure if you're at mid stick, these lines should line up. So I walked you through the process, got to download the software from the site, open it up, upgrade the flybar unit, put the app on the phone, go in the app, scan for Bluetooth devices, it will see it, and then it will connect. I've used it several times. It's working very, very well. There's not enough good things I can say about this model. I am not a lover of micros. However, I love Goosky products. They're just simple, come straight from the factory, ready to fly. It came set up perfectly. It was basically bind and fly. If you fly a Futaba system, it works flawlessly and seamlessly with it. Great product. That's the way you upgrade it, and that's the way you get the app to work with iPhone, iOS software. Thank you. Appreciate you. Happy flying.
HeliDirect!